يعني noticing the threats, understanding the role that we can do to help the cybersecurity. Of course, we should understand we should have some basics, like knowing that having a complex password, having change a password periodically, stuff like that. And also knowing that the efforts that we are doing is to minimize the risk, not to 100% eliminate the risk. So it needs the effort of everyone to make the risk a bit minimal than its situation now. Yeah. So, and thank you for the material was very interesting, and the presentation was very interesting. Thank you.